How to see recently opened apps on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see recently opened apps on Android. Usually on the home layout of your device at the very bottom, you'll be able to see three navigation buttons. In order to check the recently opened applications, tap on the square icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you find this icon, simply tap on it and this will help you to see a carousel of recently used applications. Now you can swipe left or right to browse the applications. If you would like to go to any one of these applications, you can simply tap on it to open that application. Or if you would like to remove that application from the recent, then you can simply swipe up that recent tab. By doing so, you'll be able to remove it. And if you'd like to remove all at once, simply tap on this close all option at the very bottom and then you'll be able to clear all your recently opened applications. So this is how you can see recently opened applications on Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.